Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this EYSUVIS sample. So this is from Alcon. Shout out to my homies who work at Alcon, especially you, Roger. Keep up the good work. So this is the packaging for the sample. Super limited edition for all you with dry eyes. So this is a 2-week sample of EYSUVIS. Here's a little pamphlet I got from my dry eye doctor. And apparently this is really good product, so glad I got a sample. Only heard good things about this. Show you what it looks like. The usual pharmacy drug information. Wow, this is some hardcore packaging. Sample. Apparently this has super small molecular beads that help with dry eyes. It's like a dry eye steroid for, supposed to use it for like 2 weeks, so it's supposed to tame dry eyes and all that good stuff. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this product in the comment section below. Let me know if this worked for you, and I'll keep you guys updated as well. Cool. Hope you're all doing well out there. If you're watching this because you have dry eyes, hope they feel better. See you all next time. Later.